A node, the building block of your color grade. Nodes process a single RGB signal, modifying it along the way. A node graph is read from left to right. It starts from the source input. The connection line enters the first node through the green ports. That's the RGB signal. Your triangle means input. The square means output. In between is where the cooking happens. The blue ports carry key data, like masks from qualifiers and power windows. Each node acts as a container. One node can fix exposure, another for contrast, one for fixing white balance, and another for skin tones. You can also use parallel nodes. These process multiple branches at the same time and blend them evenly. Then there are layer mixer nodes. These follow a top-down logic like layers in Photoshop. You can choose what layer sits on top, but mixers use full opacity. Parallels blend everything equally. An outside node works with a mask from the previous node, but inverted. So if one node isolates the face, the outside node affects everything except the face. Each node gets you closer to the look in your head. Clean, creative, intentional. Every adjustment travels through these connections until they reach the output node. The final stop. And the best part, you can go back, tweak one node, and everything updates. It's non-destructive and fully in your control. In the hands of a colorist, nodes become poetry. They don't just correct. They create.